Hello, my radical jazz cats. It's the spooky season, also the time for Inktober 2021. I've done a few art challenges in 2020, though I mostly made them up. This time I want to properly participate in Inktober. What is Inktober, you ask? Well, Inktober is a month-long art challenge created by artist Jake Parker that is focused on improving skill and developing positive drawing habits. Every day for the month of October, anyone participating in the Inktober challenge creates an ink drawing and posts it online. This is taken from the official Inktober website, link in description. So here's my plan. This is a series. I'll make a playlist for it. Again, link in description. There will be 5 videos. Each one will have 5 to 7 prompts. I will try my best to upload them consistently. I'll also have to speedrun all of this. I have a busy schedule. I'm gonna try to make all of these spooky or fantasy related. Gonna be honest, I did not draw these daily. I sketched for the first few days and then made the final illustration in the later days. Quick side note, admire the sketches because they're usually better than the final result. So this is a pretty big deal for me. It's a big step forward in my journey of being an artist and a YouTuber. I even wrote a script. I really hope people watch these videos. I worked hard. So anyway, I used these supplies. Not sponsored, more info in the description box. So the first prompt is crystal. I started by sketching out a few crystal and gem shapes, looking at pics of crystals to get a few ideas. A lot of the crystal images I found were healing, magic, there were a lot of healing related, like chakra healing and all that stuff. So my first idea was to draw a sort of a witch or healer person holding or showing off their magic crystals. But boy, hands are hard to draw. Especially hands holding crystals. I don't know why crystals are just kinda hard for me to draw. So time for plan B. I had a bunch of ideas rushing through my head. In the end, I settled with a simple illustration of a gnome dwarf kind of creature standing in a cave surrounded by crystals and holding a pickaxe. It kinda looks like that one Patrick meme now that I think about it. I went for a more cartoony style for this one. And gonna be honest, the whole time I was just trusting the process. I did not really know where I was going with it. Anyway, after adding some finishing touches, here's the final result. I was so close to drawing Slenderman for this one. My friend already did, so I settled with redrawing my old art. I dug up an older video where I created a character for the coronavirus. I took that character as a sort of base and to build off of for this illustration. This is supposed to be like a model or a prince, or like posing for a photo, but it doesn't give off those vibes anymore. It kind of reminds me more of Catra. I learned more about anatomy and drawing clothes, like how to draw the wrinkles and where to make the clothes fold. I liked the sketches so much that I was scared to ink it in. I was having trouble inking it in. I made so many mistakes. And I could have honestly done better with this one, but I'm gonna redraw this in the future. You can also see how my art style has changed and how I don't draw the clothes that cringe anymore. Wow, this gives off such spooky vibes. I had a few ideas and I mashed them together. I thought it would end up being like a really wacky idea, but I'm surprised it makes some sense. I was thinking about making it like Venom and Eddie related, especially since the new movie came out. But then I remembered that Venom is a symbiote and he does not possess Eddie. Here's the story I came up with for this illustration. A pirate finds a cursed vase in a treasure chest and accidentally breaks it. The vase contained a demon who now possesses the pirate. The pirate is the demon's vessel. I wasn't that confident with the idea I had in mind, so I drew it in my sketchbook instead of a separate piece of paper. This one had like a really messy, sketchy look. I don't like this one that much. I literally just drew a few knots by using a bunch of references I found on Google. Nothing else. I was tired, okay? I drew these in my sketchbook too, since they don't take up much space. I could draw Raven from Teen Titans or an actual raven. The raven bird also looks like a plague doctor mask, and honestly, that suits today's times so much. I decided to go with that. Well, By today's times, I mean like 2021 and 2020. You know, the plague. I drew this in my sketchbook too, since this didn't take up too much space either. This one has got to be like one of my favorites yet. It was so satisfying to ink it in. I'm actually gonna show you more footage of this one because it was just so satisfying to ink it all in and just kind of watch my mistakes disappear. Here is the final result and some different versions of it. Well, that's it for this video. Sorry if I spoke unclearly. Read the description. I'm making more videos and will upload them soon. Anyway, hope you have a good day. Here's your virtual hug. Okay, bye.